Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase. It's a Startline model. It's a fridge van converted by Cool Kit. It also has a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox. To the front of this Crafter, it comes with daytime running lights. As you can see, it's got a chrome strip in the top of the centre grille. This van also comes with front assist with city emergency braking. This is a popular safety feature on the van range. This van comes in candy white. This is the refrigerator motor. This van comes with steel wheels, which are 16-inch. This van comes with a near side loading door. On both sides of this van, it comes with side light markers. Now for a quick look inside the refrigerator conversion. This is the refrigerator. As you can see, this has been professionally converted. As you can see, this refrigerated van comes with plenty of space. As you can see, this is the Cool Kit badging. This side of the van, it comes with a handy power supply. This is ideal for keeping your stock refrigerated. This power supply is ideal for overnight or planning your route. This Crafter comes with 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. As you can see, this van is fitted with a flat bottom steering wheel. This van has covered 213 miles. This van has a standard radio with an SD card reader. It also has a USB port. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is your refrigerated control panel. This is ideal for setting the correct temperature for the load in the back of the van. As you can see, under the passenger seat, it comes with some handy storage. To the back of the rear seat, you can see all the piping for the refrigerator. If you'd like any more information on this used 21 plate fridge van, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to do you a personalised detailed video on request. And thank you for watching.